D6, Civics chapter. What is government? D6. Why are democratic governments called representatives? Answer. Democratic governments at present are called representative democracies. People do not participate directly in the process of governance, but elect representatives through periodic elections. Then leave two lines. Each and every citizen of India who has attained the age of 18 years and above has the right to vote in elections. This is your D6. Question D7. Which practice about voting followed during the British rule of India was condemned by Gandhiji, Nehru and Vallabhbhai Patel? Why? Answer. This whole paragraph is your answer only. Nothing else. Don't get confused with this. Only this whole paragraph is your answer. Now I quickly read it. It is important to know that during the British rule, only a limited number of people were allowed to vote. They usually belonged to the higher strata of society. Several leaders and freedom fighters were against this unfair practice. Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru and Vallabhbhai Patel demanded that all adults should have the right to vote. When the constitution was being drafted, they took special care to give the right to vote to all adults of India. That's it. D7. Every society needs rules and regulations to function properly. Comment. Now, this answer is just the same as D4. That means this one. Why do you think it is important for people to abide by the laws of the country? It is same as D4. You will rewrite this answer same way here also. I hope I am clear. That means you will write this part of the answer first. After you finish done, then you will go on to the upper part and do this. So this is same as your D4 answer. So answer D8 is same as D4. Thank you.